Dear students, today I'm going to tell you something about parts of speech. I'm not going to use the bookish language, but I'm going to tell you this in my own words. So, according to me, parts of speech is something very important. Your English language, your grammar revolves around parts of speech. You speak, you talk, you have your own speech. Your sentence comprises of parts of speech. It's just that you should be able to recognize that what is what. Remember that there are 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Remember this number 8. Now, if I name them, they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now, when you have a new member in your family, you have a new pet, you visit a place, the first thing is name. You give a name to a new member in your family, you give a name to the pet. This is the basic thing. The first part of speech is noun, and that's a naming word. A noun can be a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. After noun comes pronoun. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For example, he, she, it, they, we. These all are pronouns. Third one is adjective. Now, adjective is a describing word. What does it describe? It describes your noun or a pronoun. It describes your noun or a pronoun. Like, for example, your noun is happy, or if he or she is sad, or if he or she is confident, it describes your noun or a pronoun. Now, next one is verb. A verb is an action word. It shows that what is your noun or pronoun doing. It tells that what a person or a thing does, what a person or thing uh, has. So that is a verb. A verb is an action word. For example, your noun or a pronoun is sleeping, eating, okay, run, advise, etc. These are verbs. Verbs are action words. Then comes adverb. An adverb, it adds to the meaning of verb. For example, it will tell you that how, where, or when an action is done. If it is done perfectly, if it is done beautifully, if it is done timely. So these words are your adverb. The next one is preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. For example, the ball is on the table. The cat is under the table. Okay, so these are the words like in, on, under, above, behind, over, etc. These are your preposition. Now, these words like noun, pronoun, these parts of speech like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition are enough to form a sentence. Now, if you have more than one sentence, you need conjunctions. If you have more than one word, you need conjunction. Conjunctions are basically the joining words. Joining words like and, or, but, because, if, though, until, etc. These are your joining words, and the joining words are called conjunction. It joins words, phrases, or sentences. Now, if you want to add some more emotion in your sentence, if you want to show sudden feeling or expression, for that you need interjection. So the last part of speech is interjection. It is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. For example, oh, hurrah, wow, bravo, hello, alas. So these are interjection. So children, remember the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.